Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakoil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you grade 5 English. This is a story about a boy who likes to travel from 2020 to 2089. Shall we see? Now, you might have heard of secret diaries. You may hear some secret diaries, but this is not one of those. Feel free to read through my diary entries. He is writing a diary about how his world would be. And I am Sid. The name of the boy is Sid. By the way, go on and learn all about my travels to the future and the fantastic things I saw there. Now, he asked us to come with him to see what are all the future world and what are all the fantastic items will be there. Warning, he is giving us some warning. You may not want to come back to the present. If once we gone there, we don't like to come back to the present. This is the boy. Now, the time is January 15, 2017, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. he is writing this paragraph. This is it. I have cracked it. Now he have cracked it. I have finally devised a way to travel to future. Now he devised in the sense created something with careful thought and intelligence. By his intelligence, he created something. That is a machine which travels from 2020 to 2089. My time machine for months now, and it is finally ready. Now the time machine is ready. So today night, I am off to the future. Now he is getting towards future. I have got to be the only 13-year-old to time travel. Now he is only 13-year-old boy. Now January 15, 2089. Now he went to 2089. The time is 10 a.m. Now in this paragraph we are going to see how the future 2089 would be. Okay, I made it. Yeah, he gone to 2089. I am in the future. Now he was in the future. Students, you also just imagine that you are in 2089. Okay, the year 2089 to be precise. Precise is exact or accurate. Accurately, he was in the year of 2089. Everything is fantastic. Everything, whatever in 2089, the world is fantastic one. Fantastic is such a wonderful one. I am thrilled. Thrilled is, he is very thrilling to say everything. Thrilled. I landed. Landed is he landed. He gone there. Right in the middle of the street. Now he was in the middle of the street. For a second, I just froze. He's standing still and he's amazing at all those surroundings. Dozens of super fast cars. Dozens is like 12, okay, like 12 or dozens, a couple. Dozens of super fast cars. The car was super fast. It was going like a fraction of a second, were zipping by a few inches above the ground. Zipping by. Now, usually in 2020, our car were going by on the road, right? But in 2089, the cars were moving about few inches above the ground. So, fortunately, the cars of the future have sensors to detect. Do you know what is sensor? Sensor is it is a device that can detect. It can detect whatever there in front of it. Okay. So, detect living beings, and so they swerved in time. They swerved is turned or caused. See, in 2089, if the car comes, if we also going in the same path, the car will take divert due to its sensor. So, there is no possibilities of getting accidents. Okay. view, I also see that humans have become smarter about energy. All the human beings were so energetic, all the cars are running on solar power. Now we have fuel system, right? For a car, we should we should give diesel, right? So in 2018-9, all the cars were drive by solar power. The air is clean once again. Now, if there is no smoke, in the sense, how the atmosphere would be? It would be clean, right? So, the air is so clean, and you can actually smell the flowers, a flower smell. You can feel you can sense the smell of the flower. Then January 15, 2089, 11 a.m. 10 a.m. we have seen about the road. Now 11 a.m. after 1 hour, as I wandered is moving around, okay, wandered around, gazing at the side. Gazing is looking keenly. Now he was staring at everyone, he was looking keenly, and I realized that humans in the future have achieved so much. Yeah, in 2089, we humans achieved a lot to develop our country, and so much electricity is solar powered. All the electricity became solar powered, and cutting down trees is punishable by law. So it was one of the beautiful thing. If we cut down the trees, it will be punishable for in the 2089th year, it was punishable. Instead, a new kind of synthetic wood has been invented and is used for all construction purpose. Dear children, now you tell me why we use these woods, why are cutting trees to make chairs, wooden tables, to make beautiful furnitures, right? But in 2089, we human invented a new synthetic wood. Synthetic wood is material that is made up of artificial substances. Like it was one of the artificial substances, we constructed this. Now 12 p.m. after 1 hour after this, 11 a.m. we seen about these cutting trees and new material. Now we are going to see what happened in the 12 p.m. I walked into a fast food place. Now we all know that is hotel, okay. Fast food place, all the time traveling had me famished. Famished is extremely hungry. He was so hungry. So I was amazed to find that all the food of the future is organic. Dear children, what is organic? Organic is a food that is used without any chemical, that manufactured without any chemicals. You may studied in science subject, all the fruits were injected to make it fresh, but in 2089, all the food were fresh and organic, okay. No more harmful chemicals or pesticides. No more harmful chemicals or pesticides added in the food. Now, the bread used was so fresh and soft. The bread was so fresh and soft that it just melted in his mouth. My mouth, even junk food is healthy now. Even junk food. What is junk food, dear children? Like pizza, burger, these are all junk food. It is not good for our health, right? But in 2089, junk food became healthier, and how is that for good news? Now it's a good news for us, right? Because if you are a junk food lover, you would like the junk foods. I ate 6 burgers on day 1. On day 1, he ate 6 burgers. So how tasty it would be, you just imagine. And this is the organic restaurant, okay. Now, everyone has smart refrigerators at home. Now we have refrigerator in our home. Like your mother will kept all those unwanted and left out will be there in the refrigerator. But this refrigerator is one of the smartest one. A computer keeps tabs on what is inside your fridge. Now you will have one computer or tab. It will assist you according to your body, okay. and tells you if you have the ingredients for a balanced meal every day. If you have everyday meal balance, it will tell you by message, through message or anything. And if you have a cold, if you have cold, it sends a message to the store to recommended food loaded with vitamin C. Now, dear children, tell me which are all vitamin C fruits. Vitamin C fruits are lemon, orange, these are all vitamin C, citric acid fruits, right? And hot soups. If you have cold, this tab or computer will assist you to take vitamin C or hot soups. I feel so happy. Now he was so happy because this cold alone, this corona will affect you a lot, right? So this would be very awesome in 2089. And then January 16, 2089, 9 a.m. Now we have seen about 2089 till 12 o'clock. Now we move to January 16, 2089, 9 a.m. At 9 a.m., let's see what is happening. My first visit to a school of the future. Now, he is moving to the first day of the school. In future, how it would be. Like, it was mind-blowing. Mind-blowing is he can't imagine like how this school was. Now, I just walked in and asked for a tour and the head of learning. Here, head of learning is, now we call principal, right? In 2089, they call principal as head of learning. This would be very nice and showed me around. Now, he went to principal in 2089, what's the name? Yes, head of learning. He went to head of learning and asked for tour, okay. Then she showed him all around, and first of all, the classrooms. Now we are going to enter into the classroom. Now look at how the classroom was. First of all, the classrooms have no desk and chairs. In 2089, there would be no chairs or desk in the classroom. Now we have a lot of desk and chairs in your classroom, right? But in 2089, there would be no desk or chairs. So the students seem to leviate. Leviate is like floating. You will float in the air in your classroom. So how it would be? It would be very nice for you, right? So leviate on some kind of cushions that change shape to make everyone comfortable. There would be some cushion and it will be comfortable for you to be in the class. Okay. Secondly, the first thing is we don't have chairs or desk in the classroom. The second one is there are no blackboards. There are no blackboards in 2089. Then how it would be? Yeah, there is smart board like this. See, in Sir Isaac Newton, we already improved. We have smart board in our school, right? So in 2089, we have smart board in front of the classroom like this. And every student has a tab that is so thin that it looks like paper. Like you are having lot of books, notes, everything, right? But in 2089, don't worry, dear children, you will have tabs that is reduced into the size of tabs. Okay. Then every classroom has a robot. Wow, it's so nice. Every classroom will be have a robot. Okay. To assist the teacher, to help the teacher and to guide the teacher, the robot will be there, and the robot glides. Glides is move and smooth, like it will move smooth. You can see in one of Rajini films, Endiran, the robot glides around the class, helping children who have queries. Queries is question. If you have any doubt or if you have any question, this robot will clear you. Okay, or trouble understanding things. If you have any doubt in the subjects, this robot will assist you. Now look at this picture. Can you able to imagine this? Now this boy is asking question to robot, right? See, here students are having tabs in their hands. They are not using any paper, pen or anything. Okay. During history period, when we are learning about World War I, if you are reading about World War I, everyone got virtual reality. Virtual is by seeing, okay. In 2018-9, you can see everything really, virtual reality, goggles, it was amazing. It was amazing one. This robo will make you the circumstance as you are reading in the books, okay. I saw a recreation of war. It was like I was right there. How this boy, the Sid was feeling. He was there in the First World War. What a fantastic way to learn about the past. It was one of the fantastic way to learn about the past, and he had lot of experiences about this class, okay. And we used that Googles to go on a virtual underwater tour of the ocean floor. It was mind-boggling. Now they are going another tour under ocean floor. It was mind-boggling, and the vibrant. Mind-boggling is extremely surprising. It was one of the surprising thing for them as a student. And colorful marine life. Marine life is like sea animals. You can visualize all those, how the depth the sea would be. And the corals and the magnificent sharks. Shark will be always a big and magnificent one. This class in 2018-9, they can visualize those sceneries. And now the next day, January 17, 2018-9, 3 p.m., afternoon 3 p.m., I spent another day at the school. Now he is spending his second day at the school. I never knew that I would find it is so engaging. The class is so engaging with he didn't felt bored, okay. And I love how learning is. He loved the way of learning in 2018-9. Every week, all the weekend, there is a field trip. As I have already mentioned you, they have field trip to different places. They have field trip to different places. We get to see the latest scientific experiments at the Science Research Lab. Now in one weekend, he can see the latest scientific experiments at Science Research Lab. Okay, then the Space Academy, like aeronautics, you are carrying to the aeronautic place and you can visualize all those things. And Space Academy shows us how astronauts are trained. Now they are teaching how astronauts are trained. He is just studying 13. He is just 13 years old, right? He may study 4 or 5th or 6th, but he had the opportunity to read about, to know about astronauts. The Greenhouse Academy. Greenhouse Academy, you already know that to make everything green, and Greenhouse Academy gives us lesson on how new and exotic varieties of plants are grown. Exotic is something unusual, usually from different places or country. They in a greenhouse they can learn about plants, herbs, trees, everything, and all those greeneries. The World Arts Center, in the World Arts Center, they will teach you how to draw. Is a place where anyone can learn to draw. Everyone can learn to draw in World Arts Center, and there are many more. These are all few examples for us, but really they were in the weekend, they have lot of fun in learning. The annual field trip. Now he is telling about the annual field trip. Annual field trip is by 1 year they will plan for different places. It is a trip to Mars. Wow, it is a trip to Mars, the next planet. We are moving from Earth to Mars. I can hardly believe my ears. Everyone gets on an interplanetary space shuttle and shoots off to explore Mars. Interplanetary is travel between different planets. Interplanetary is travel from one planet to the next planet. So in 2089 you may also have this kind of opportunities. Field trip, I have ever heard of, sadly. field trip. He was, now we don't have, right? But he was also in 2020, so he was, everything in 2089 was amazing for him. And I will not be in the future long enough to enjoy that. He can't able to stay in 2089 for long periods. So he want to come back to 2020. I will be going back home soon. Now he is sad that he want to come back to 2020. And January 22, 2089, 4 p.m. by the evening, 1 week in the future, and I don't want to leave Allah. Actually, he don't want to come back from 2089. I have to go back to my life. But it's his position to come back to 2020. However, I am going to tell all my friends about this visit. Now, he was very much excited and interested to tell about 2089, how the class would be, how the road would be, how the hotels would be. So, he wanted to come back to 2020 and he wanted to tell all those experiences felt by him was given to his friends. Yes, there is one thing to be glad about. The future is happy. We have to glad and we have to proud about this. It may be an imagination, but it is so good, right? It is good for us and we have to happy about it. It's a happy, peaceful, clean, green and fantastic place to be in. It was one of the fantastic place to be, and we can certainly look forward to that. Goodbye for now and see you back in the past. Now he made us to travel to 2089, how the place would be. It was very nice, and thank you dear children. Hope you all understood. Thank you.